Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to fill a vendor registration form for 2025. If you're a business owner, freelancer, or just starting out, getting this right can open doors to new opportunities. This form is often required for partnerships, marketplaces, or government contracts, and with 2025 updates, it's more streamlined than ever. So, let's break it down step by step to make it easy and stress-free. First things first, gather your essentials. Before you start, collect key documents like your business license, ID proof, tax details, and any certifications. This saves time and prevents headaches later. Next, head to the official registration portal. Most are online now, so search for Vendor Registration 2025 feed on the relevant website, like your local government site or a platform like GST or e-procurement systems. Once you're in, start with the basics. Fill out your personal information accurately, things like your full name, address, email, and phone number. Double-check for any 2025 specific fields, such as updated GST numbers or digital signatures. Then, move to business details. Enter your company name, type of business, and a brief description. If there are categories or product lists, select the ones that best fit you. Don't forget the financial section. Input your bank details, payment preferences, and any tax IDs. This is crucial for getting paid smoothly. If the form requires uploads, like invoices or certificates, make sure files are in the right format, like PDF, and under the size limit. Before hitting submit, take a moment to review everything. Read through for errors, ensure all fields are filled, and confirm your information matches your documents. Once you're confident, submit the form and keep an eye on your email for confirmation or next steps. And there you have it. You're all set for 2025 vendor registration. This process not only helps you comply with regulations but also boosts your professional credibility. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's get that form filled today.